guys, welcome back to my vlog, and for today I will be sharing with you my recipe how to make hot cake ube. So I'm going to cook it just under this jacaranda tree. Are you ready? Let's do it. Today is October 19, 2024. Hi Sam, happy birthday. This vlog is for you. See you soon. Preparing. I have this water. I'll be using this mixture. Hotcake ube. I bought this from Big Asia supermarket in Kens. It says here just add water and egg. I have honey. I better hurry up. This is my bowl. I'll add just one egg. Add a little bit of water, just estimation. Let's add this mixture. Look at it. What's inside it? So there's two hot cake mix inside. I will just use one. If I can open it. Okay. It's a bit hard. Okay. And let's add it. I will leave some for Nicole when she wakes up. Everyone's still asleep. Wow, I can smell the ube. We need more water. It's sticky. Add water. I think I like this consistency. I'll make sure to cover it, otherwise I'll be eating the purple flowers too. I don't want that. I'll be using canola oil. Guys, thanks for watching my latest vlog. It was my all-time favorite combo meal. So I'll add a tiny bit. This is hot. I'll use this measuring spoon. Ta-da! Again, Sam, happy birthday! Woo! Wow, it's windy. It's windy. One done. Hide it under this table. Number two. Done. Hot cake number two. it's big hot cake. Take this off. Flip, 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 flip. Done. It's time for me to eat my breakfast here. So I'll just leave this 2 pieces for Nicole. And this is for me. This is Manuka honey. Nom nom nom. Let's try. This is my hot cake. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.